Roger, thank you very much for the invitation to Jointmedica. Now, what I'm really interested in is very much down the medical path that your business is involved in. But could you tell me a little bit about your background, but also the company's?
Well, I've been in the medical device business for about 20 years now with various large companies, but my roots in medical devices started really with a company called MMT that brought the Birmingham hip resurfacing to market. That company was acquired by a large orthopedic company in order to exploit that product throughout the world, and that particular product, which I've been closely associated with, is really the only hip resurfacing product that is available.
And are you actually manufacturing product on site here?
Well, we're something of a startup. This company was came about to bring the Birmingham knee to market. Over the last 2 years, myself and my colleagues have been working to bring a next generation of resurfacing product through to market.
And do you work directly with, for instance, surgeons in relation to bespoke customers' needs?
Indeed. You can see behind me there's an example of the output from a CT scan of a patient that's been transformed into a segmented model, and that's the root of producing a tailored product for the specific anatomy of a patient.
So in reference to today, we're here on behalf of Hexagon. Now, you invested heavily with ALPHACAM software and the relationship with them. Could you be producing these type of products for your customers without a product like ALPHACAM?
Well, we're producing tailored product. We're producing it in materials that present certain challenges in terms of their processing. That pushes us down a route of fairly complex geometry, being able to produce that geometry in good short lead times, translating the solutions that we develop from the patient scans through to a finished product. So it's a pathway where we go from interpretation of CT through to into the CAD environment, design the product, and then through into the machining environment via ALPHACAM.
Oliver, now bringing this process in-house with this fantastic Brother Speedio machine, but also using very bespoke material, ALPHACAM is very much helping you produce that bespoke product for your customer. But could you tell me exactly why you use it?
So ALPHACAM for us, historically from me using it previously, I was bringing it in-house for basically the experience that I've previously had and the accuracy that I knew it could cope with, and basically the speed that I could program items with. I've bought it in-house here for Jointmedica for the sheer fact of ease of working with and the scope that it supplies us on custom bespoke items that I knew it could program in its toolpaths.
And if you didn't have a software like ALPHACAM, would you be able to produce these type of products for your customer?
No, absolutely not. There is other bespoke softwares out there, but for me, obviously, with the experience, as I've previously said, ALPHACAM needs to incorporate with the laptop and the machine to be able to produce the bespoke products and the custom devices that we produce here.
And it's not sometimes just about the software. Tell me a little bit about the backup and support you get from Hexagon.
So Hexagon at ALPHACAM are superb with their support. So I send off, if I have any issues whatsoever through the day, I get a response usually within 20 minutes. So it's pretty fast on their support times. They come to conclusive results with my ideas as well. They let me upload programs. They let me upload the program features and the problems that I have with the machine. And they, as I say, they come to a very fast, conclusive idea of what either my issue is or what the improvement can be, and we come with a fix straight away from the support team.